Reflecting upon the Counsels of the Birds by Rumi imparts wisdom on the nature of existence and self-discovery. The bird's guidance reflects the importance of seeking inner truth and understanding one's purpose. Through vivid imagery, Rumi illustrates the journey of soul toward enlightenment. Ultimately, the text inspires readers to embrace transformation and the interconnectedness of all life, fostering deeper spiritual awareness. I used practical criticism approach as I analyzed the story of the Counsels of the Birds by Rumi that employs rich imagery and symbolism to convey spiritual truths. The bird serves as a guide, representing the quest for enlightenment and self-awareness. The narrative structure, with its clear progression of counsel, engages readers in a reflective journey. In conclusion, Rumi's lyrical style invites personal interpretation, allowing each reader to find their own meaning within the text.